Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of The Wild Side. I know it's been a while, but today we are starting off in the parking lot of Magic Kingdom, taking my favorite mode of transport, the monorail, heading over to Epcot, where we are going to ride the new and improved test track. And the reason why we're parking over here at the Magic Kingdom is we're going to end our night back over here and check out the new nighttime parade. That's going to be a separate video, but right now, I just love the views of the monorail, getting a eagle-eye view of all the goings-on. My favorite mode of transport, although I really do enjoy a good boat ride. Yeah, so here's the new test track. We're going to check out the queue. Normally I would cut out the queue or just put very little bits of the queue in. I'm going to leave most of it in because it's the new and improved, I guess, queue. It's a lot similar to what was there before. It misses a lot. The old queue, you would go into the room eventually where you would create your own vehicle, your own test vehicle, and you would, try that out. And that is missing. That is gone. Now they're just showing you some new vehicles. I remember my first time here, I think they had on display as a prototype. It was like a Chevy Lumina. And I thought as a little kid, like, wow, this looks like a Spacemobile. And so what you're looking at here is probably, a few years away from being brought to market. So I love looking at these vehicles, checking them out, see what's coming. So this looks like a lot like a smart car. I remember looking at reading the plaque there, and it said it was available in a 1-seat or a 2-seater. So being an ex-car salesman, that interests me. And I don't know if the last test track queue you were able to see outside like that and watching the vehicles go by. I really don't remember, but that's pretty cool. So the queue is basically just showing you new models of vehicles, some prototypes and things like that, and you go right into the vehicle area.
And I'm your automated vehicle. Welcome to the test track.
We've always been dreaming about the road to tomorrow.
And now we set a course for the future.
Before we can visualize tomorrow, we have to start by looking at the world of today a little differently.
That's where I can help. Let me show you how I see the world.
By using advanced cameras and sensors, vehicles are constantly scanning the road ahead, helping to prepare us for any surprises.
Hang on!
Woo! Nicely done!
Surprises, huh? I was built for this.
Tomorrow's roads will be built with technology too, like inductive charging to help keep you powered up.
Smart road activated. Power transfer complete.
Smart roads are just the beginning. Imagine being able to customize your vehicle at home.
Can I show them?
Go for it. First, select a new vehicle model.
What about this one?
Good choice. Now let's see how it looks.
Let's try another. That looked good with the third row.
And here's one I think you'll really love.
Oh, I could get used to this.
Now how about we kick back and enjoy the ride?
Sure, it's always fun to be free.
Watch out!
I told you, I got this.
Right. Our road might have had some twists and turns, but the future is always just around the corner.
And together, we keep moving forward, finding new ways to drive to a brighter tomorrow.
Ready to see what else lies beyond the horizon?
Let's go.
How you drive?
Our test drive.
And that was the ride. So for me, out of 5, I give it a 3.5. Only I didn't give it a 4 because it really they took away that competition and that fun you had with everybody in your car, seeing how your design did against everybody else's. It kind of took that away. Otherwise, 3.5. Good ride, great ride, definitely worth it.
Joining us. See you in the future.
Hey, thanks everybody for tuning in. Please follow us on Facebook at The Wild Side. Also, for all your travel agent needs, please check out our travel agent page on Facebook, or you can email us directly at DanielleandBill@madhatteradv.com.